Hi guys, we have a very good grammar exercise to do today. Question 1, we have stay blank us for dinner. For options, we have by or with, which is correct. The correct answer is with. Stay with us for dinner. That means join us for dinner or eat dinner with us, right? Question 2, do you blank a red lipstick? We have has or have, has or have. The pronoun in this question is you. And when we have you or we, right, we use have. So our correct answer is have. Do you have a red lipstick? Question 3. The dog ate blank food. It's or its. So we have the one without apostrophe and we have the one with apostrophe, which is correct. Now, it's with apostrophe. This is just the short form of it is or it has. So the I is removed and apostrophe is added, and the HA is removed and apostrophe added to form its. But our correct answer is it's without apostrophe, right? That means possession. That means the food belongs to the dog. So the dog ate its food. Question 4. He is blank married. We have happily, we have happy, which is correct. Our correct answer is happily. We always say happily married, not happy married. So we have happily married. He saw blank at the market. We have me, myself. The correct answer is me. We have the subject he. We have a verb. The correct answer or the next term to use is an object. And here me is an object, myself is a pronoun. Myself is a pronoun. So he saw me at the market. Question 6. Listen blank to the sermon. We have carefully, we have careful. Correct answer is carefully, because carefully is an adverb, and an adverb qualifies or modifies a verb. Listen is a verb. Careful, on the other hand, is an adjective, and an adjective qualifies or modifies a noun. There is no noun here. There is a verb. So the correct form is carefully. Listen carefully to the sermon. Question 7. His car is blank than mine. We have elder, we have older, which is correct. Now, older is used for things, while elder is used mainly for people, right? You can say your brother is your elder brother, right? You can say older car, older truck, right? Older house. So older is used for things while elder is used for people. You cannot say elder car. You cannot say elder truck, right? You always say older. So we have car here. So we use older than mine. Question 8. My house is new, blank is old. We have his, right? The first one, his, is a short form of he is, right? Or he has. While his This means something that belongs to a male person. So when we have his school, that means the school belongs to him. When we have his car, the car belongs to him, right? So our correct answer is this. My house is new, his is old. That means his house is old, right? Question 9. He blank us a new story. Said or told, which is correct? Correct answer is told. You tell a story, right? You don't say a story, you tell a story. You don't say a story, right? You tell a tale, but you say a word, right? You don't tell a word, okay? So we have told. He told us a new story. Question 10. She blank at the library. We have studies, we have study. Now, studies, this ing added to the verb makes it singular, while this is plural. So we can have she studies, they study, right? So we have she, a singular noun or a pronoun, just singular person, right? So we use studies, the singular verb. So she studies at the library. 11. Blank us what happened. We have tell, we have told. This is the present form, this is the past form. And this happened here ends in END. That is a past tense, a past form. Tell us what happened. Even though happened is in the past tense, we will still use tell, right? Not told. This is an exception whereby we have a past tense indicator, but we always use a present tense, right? Question 12. He blank basketball, baseball daily. We have plays, we have playing. Now, we have the indication daily. That means he does this every day. So it's a habit, right? And when we have that, we use the simple present tense or verb 1, and that is plays. He plays baseball daily. 13. She is blank to school. We have going, we have goes. So when we have is or are, right, as the auxiliary verb in a sentence, the verb that we are going to use must have ing, right? So we have is here. So we are going to use going, the verb with ing. So she is going to school. Next question. She's blank her baby. We have looking, we have watching. Correct answer is watching. That means she is paying attention or paying close attention to her baby, right? So watching. Look blank the bright sun. We have at, we have to. Correct answer is at. Look at the bright sun. 16. Every person blank a car. We have has or have. Correct answer is has. Now, when we have every, any, some, and we have that with person, one, or thing. So when we have this situation, every person, everyone, everything, any person, anyone, anything, some person, someone, something. when we have any of these words, right, we use the present indication is, or we use the singular verb or singular auxiliary verb is or has, right? Because even though this seems like a lot of things or a lot of people, it is actually singular. So this is a singular form, and for that we use singular auxiliary verbs or verbs, right? So every person has a car. Question 17. I can blank a cake. We have bark, we have bake. Now bark is the sound a dog makes, a dog barks. Bark is also the outside or the outer part of a tree. Outer part of a stem is a bark. So we have a tree bark. But bake means to cook something in an oven, right? So we bake a cake. We cook a cake in the oven. So bake is the correct form. 18. My sister and blank are here. We have I, we have me, which is correct. I is the subject form, me is the object form, right? We have two subjects, my sister and I. My sister and I are here, right? Two subjects, and then we have a predicate. We don't have an object. So both of us are here. 19. I work blank day McDonald's. I work blank day at McDonald's. So we have very, we have every. Correct answer is every. Every day shows daily, right? All the time. Every is used to indicate how often something happens. Very is just used to show emphasis. And we are not emphasizing anything in this question. So we use every. I work every day at McDonald's. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.